warm welcome to all of you at Chef Authorized Cooking Gallery. I hope all of you like chicken keema products, momo, parota, Mughlai parota like me. All of these foods need minced chicken by chicken keema. Today I am going to share with you how can you easily prepare minced chicken by chicken keema at home by your hand. Look at this minced chicken by chicken keema. Perfectly done by me within a minute. But how? Today I am going to share with you how you can easily prepare minced chicken by chicken keema by your hand. I used only two kitchen cutler, a potato fork and stainless steel chopper. It is very useful. Let's start. I took 1 kg chicken breast, already cleaned and freezed and squeezed all water drops. Look at the stainless steel chopper. You can easily prepare within a minute. And homemade minced chicken is absolutely healthy and must be tasty food. So watch carefully. First use fork. Put your forks in the breast and then you cut firstly and finally slice, then mince. Always you use edge of this stainless steel chopper. Edges is very sharp than middle portion. Once again, look at this carefully. Isn't it amazing? It is better than market minced chicken. I don't know how they can prepare, which type of water they can use. So really it may be healthy or unhealthy, but homemade minced chicken always healthy. So then you can happily prepare momos, chicken keema parota, chicken keema karhai, Mughlai chicken, chicken keema pakoda, whatever you want to eat. Within a minute you can prepare minced chicken by your hand. Only two things. Look at this. 1 kg chicken keema is ready to prepare any type of dishes. I made lot of momos and Mughlai parota. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. See you again. Bye bye.